and writing and arithmetic, homework every day. Whoa, 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 whoa with me. Whoa, 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 misery. Teachers are always dogging me for being late to school, but holding hands with my little girl means more to me than rules. Whoa, 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 whoa with me. Whoa, 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 misery. Up in the morning and off to school, trying to learn me an English root, but I can't wait until it's 3 when that bell will set me free. Trying to learn me an English root, but I can't wait until it's 3 when that bell will set me free. But it's another year till summer, dear, when we again embrace in our secret hiding place. But till then I'm out of luck, no more fooling around. Yes, I guess that